Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to see a saved password on your Chromebook with the latest update. If you've ever forgotten a password and need to quickly check it, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in just a few minutes. First, open Google Chrome on your Chromebook. This is where all of your saved passwords are stored and managed. Once Chrome is open, look at the very top right corner of your screen and click the three dots, also known as the menu button. From there, select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, take a look at the options on the left-hand side. Click on Autofill and Passwords. This is where Chrome organizes your saved login details and makes them easy to access. Next, tap on Google Password Manager. This will take you to a more detailed view of all the accounts and passwords that Chrome has securely stored for you. Under the section called Saved Passwords, you'll see a list of websites where you've chosen to save your login information. Scroll through the list and find the website you need. Once you select it, Chrome will ask you to confirm your identity. Depending on your Chromebook settings, you might be asked to enter your device password, use your fingerprint, or use another form of verification before the password becomes visible. This step ensures that your information stays private and secure. After confirming access, you'll notice an eye icon next to the hidden password. Click on the eye icon and just like that, your saved password will be revealed. You can now use it to log into your account, update your records, or simply keep it saved for the next time. And that's all it takes. With these quick steps, you can easily manage and view any of your saved passwords on a Chromebook. This makes it simple to recover logins without the hassle of constant resets. If you found this helpful, keep this guide in mind whenever you need to check a saved password. Managing your online accounts is easier when you know exactly where to find the information you need.